Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to Programming Concepts. I am Sayyid Naveed Abbas and today I am going to upgrade my InspectorBot project with UV lights. So I'm going to use 5 UV lights as you can see in this circuit diagram, and the rest of the circuit diagram remains the same as you have seen this in the previous videos. So what we're going to do is we will be using only 3 more digital pins, the pin number 10, 11, and 12. So this pin number 10 will be connected to 2 UV LEDs, the first one and the last one. So when I turn on the first one, the last one also lights up. And the same way, I'm going to use the pin number 11 with the UV light 2 and the second last. So when the second LED lights up, the second last lights up too, to make it like to make it look cool. And then the 12 number pin will be used to light up the middle one. So I will be doing this in a sequence, so when the project will be started up, these 2 LEDs, the extreme last LEDs, first and the last, they will be light up, they will be lit up, and then the middles, and then this one. So this will make it a little a lighting delay effect, and it will look cool. So the ground will be connected to a 220 resistor and then put into the ground to protect the LEDs from high voltage. So let's do this. Okay, now it's time to write the code. It will be very simple. So let's specify the pin numbers first. So we are going to use the first pins. So I'm going to use define first as pin number, let me see, 10. Yes, pin number 10 for the first. Then define seconds, 11, and then define the middle 12. Okay, so now we set the pin mode for them. So pin mode for all the pins will be output, pin mode first, output, seconds, output, and middle output. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna add the lights function. So let me add it here, void lights. So the first one to light up will be the first. So visual right first, high, then delay for 1 second, and same for the seconds, and then same for the middle. Remove this delay after all the LEDs have been lit up. Remove it from here and add it here. So when the system starts, after 1 second, everything just starts lighting up. Okay, then I'm gonna add this function to here, lights. Okay, let's compile this. First we need to select the board, Arduino Uno R3. So remember, we are going to do this programming in Arduino board and not the ESP32 camera. Okay, compilation done, but the board is not connected, so the coding was not uploaded. Okay, now let's upload the code to Arduino and see what happens. Okay, now let's upload the code to Arduino and see what happens. I have connected the board and selected it here and selected the pin port number, and I'm going to upload. And because we have connected the RX-TX to the camera, we will be needing to temporarily remove them. Okay, restart this. Let me remove it and put it back, and then upload. Okay, upload completed, and let's put these pins back to their place and remove this cable. And restart the Arduino from the button and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. And good, it's working. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.